Bomb did not reach our camp. It only hit a ordinary tree in the forest. Biafra Liberation Army. My wonderful people, no be small thing o. This Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside o. E come talk say all the whole gbunigwe where Nigeria army dey throw from up. He said that all of them dey fall on top of tree o, say no one ever near their camp. Because we be get information say they don enter inside one of their camp today. But they don't come outside talk say no be so e happen, say they never enter o. He can't do one video, come show us, say na for inside bush, now everything dey land. May I show you the video, may you watch. But before we go inside there, welcome back to Barabas G6. Today is the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. No be small thing o, my people. As you don't hear them, na so e be. May we watch the video together before we come back, come continue.
Hey. Oh, goodness me. My goodness me. My goodness me. See your bum. Children of God. I want to give you this video anyway. It doesn't mean anything. Today is they say na Lovers Day. We really show the zoo love. We show them we show them love. We show them enough love today. As today be the Lover Days, we show them love. They have gone with enough of love. Today is the most happiest day. You know when something means love, you know what love is all about. We really show them love. As a matter of fact, the Imo State, we show Imo State enough love, and then we give them enough takeaway. Today we share enough takeaway. Enough takeaway. Oh my goodness me. Umuchuku, una dey strong. Una dey good. Eh? When it comes to sharing, una know they look back. We give them enough takeaway today. And then Anambra people come. We give them enough takeaway. Say then eat belle full. They don't know anything where to do. Then bring extra. Known as a fighter jet. And as they bring the fighter jet to collect extra, where they go see chop. Now they come through this one. See where he land. See your bomb. You know they even burn anything for our ground. You know they even burn anything for our ground. No. See them. You don't see them. Now only these are innocent achara. Innocent achara. Where you manage to cut. And this place why they very, very far from. Very, 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 very far from where we stay. So, well, congratulations for cutting firewood for us. This is firewood. We will not pay you for this firewood where you cut for us. But anyway, thank you for cutting firewood for us. So therefore, the extra you carry, we believe we give you enough extra that will sustain you for many, 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 many weeks. Okay? We show you love. We are a good people. The world should know that we are very good. You understand? We know they like chop alone. We know they like to chop alone. We they share, we they give gift. We have give enough gift today where be Valentine. Imagine, we give you enough gift today where be Valentine. Ratago? Umuchuku, we have give them gift so that tomorrow nobody will come and say, the children of Biafra soldier, they were celebrating Valentine, they did not give the zoo gift. We gave them enough gift. If you understand, you will understand. But today is the most happiest day of our life. Yeah? Today is the 4th day since we start this dance of the spirit. Today is the day that collect enough Valentine gifts. Three-way. I didn't expect them to run by now. because we still get enough to give them. Huh? We still get enough to give them. This one where they just collect, run away. But tell them more than 200. More than 200 have collected. Confirm collecting. More than 200 have confirm. And more than 200 again. Then collect some more. You understand? If you understand, you understand. Well, today I want to tell you that we really celebrate this Valentine in a very wonderful way. You know, the children of Mosai, they like sharing gifts, and we have shared enough gift for even our enemy. Yes. Happy Valentino. Zoological Republic of Nigeria. Happy Valentino. Afana. I hope you dey hear. I hope you dey hear. We give your men gifts. Take away. Even their foreigner, even your foreigner, then confirm. Say true. We dey give better gift. Easy. See am, I dey show you. See where in drop. See wetin in do. See your own gift where you give us. Bang, not even leaf. You burn any leaf? You see any leaf burn? Do you see any leaf burn? You just cut this firewood for us. See firewood where you cut here for us. You just cut firewood for us. You see any leaf burn? See where inland. Very far. Very, very far from us. I just use smoke. Locate this place. Smoke where they smoke. Now it take me 30 minutes to run from where I dey to come and capture this thing. To tell you, say, you are wasting your time, idiot. Now you get this land. We go know whether now you get this land or now we get her. Come and pursue us now. Thunder will fire you and your generation. Come and pursue us. We come here to play with you, abi? We tell you it's either Biafra or Biafra. You think we are joking. Don't worry. When we are done with them, we are coming for you. Start running. You know us in the day.
We'll kill them all. We'll kill all of them.
We are coming. Very soon. The way where they take run today is the same way where you go to run. We know say now your last fight be this. We know that your last now your last deal with this be this. Say they don't tell you, say after this one, if you fail them, say then go take your head. No, they no go take your head. Now we go cut your head. We are coming. We are coming. So ask them now, waiting them see today.
They come away march, yeah?
You think say now to come with 3,000, 4,000 soldiers for our land, kwa? Now you think say you fit do it, you fit do gra and go back the same.
See their free kick. Then collect and they run. And their free kick be this one.
He say waiting Africa do na play consent to waiting when I see today. You give una enough take away. Ewu. Ishiazu. Come and fight now. Come and fight. Even your fighter jet no fit even come down. Fear they catch that one. They up. Come down and fire now. No be you used to come down where and do. You know if you come down. Come and fire. Tokano. Come and throw bomb. Come and throw bomb. Come and throw bomb. Upon your armor town, you see they run. Come and fight. Now we get the grant. We go nowhere. You say you feel for pursue us. See the innocent Achara. Achara where just there on his own. Oh, they collect breeze. Achara where they on his own. Look at what you did to this innocent Achara. Look at what you did. Achara will never forgive you. This Achara where you just abuse like this. Abuse this Achara without his permission. Will not upon the take away where we give una choose to come and break Achara where they on his own. Thunder fire on. Umuchuku. Butuzo, your boy strong. Simon Ekpa, your soldier strong. Biafra government, una Air Force, una Land Force, una Sea Force, na them be the best. Eh? Na them be the best. Na them be the best. Yatago? Eh? Butus or you get boys. Butus or you get boys. This one are hardcore. Eh? This is masquerade dance. We know they tire. Okay. We are just on break now. Since 12 o'clock in the midnight. It is now that we give them enough. So then decided to go and rest. So therefore, let's rest. You know, first half, when first half finish, every player need to rest. And then to start the second half. I believe in less than 1 hour, second half of this match will start. Don't forget, today is the 4th day of this match. Now then use their mouth to say, now 1 month match, they won't play this competition. We say is a welcome development. But I'm proud to tell you so far, we never lost any single player. Yeah? We never lost any single player. Now then collect. So after the rest, even me, I want to go and rest more. We will revenge. We will come back for the rematch and see how today will end. Stay tuned and get updated.
Copy, Biafra the way. First come, first collect. Copy.
Now we dey here. This is our land. We go nowhere.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and hear wetin this Biafra Liberation Army talk for inside here, may you let us know what you think and your own suggestion and your own opinion for inside this matter, because they say water don't pass garri, and I will say more bring them come show una more they know wetin dey go on. Abeg, if you see these areas where this thing dey happen, may you still drop the your own up there for inside the comment section, and we go still follow you up, know wetin dey happen for that area. My wonderful people, we still dey here. They bring the update, they come. Abeg, may you quickly share this video and also subscribe to this channel for more updates as e dey hot. Thank you so much. I greet my top fans.